Wullie says hello for Girvan. I've been meeting whoever. This is John. John
Campbell.
John Campbell. And Wullie Scobie there, retired councillor for Stranraer. He's the cameraman. And it's really a great meeting. And what we've been meeting about, John, tell them.
It's about the neglect in the southwest here along the 77.
What's the name of the campaign group you're on?
It's the A77, the Community Campaign Group.
Right, and I'm going to get on board and support these gentlemen. They've done great work and they're highlighting there. And I'm going to see something I've learnt this morning. 1 dot, 2 dot, where is it? 3 dot, 4, 5 dots. That's a, what is that, John?
That's how far you can travel with it. You get through another 30 mile an hour.
Then you come down here, take one away and look at that. Is that not that? It tells the story. We need to support the 77 and get improvements near there, get money spent there for the Ayrshire economy. Am I right, John?
That's a total embarrassment for South Ayrshire, the whole of South Ayrshire. The worst trunk road in Scotland.
So there, and I'm glad to get on board with John and Wullie Scobie, who has been a great servant to the Increasing Gallery. I've got to get that into Wullie. Okay, he's a great servant, and I'm glad to meet him. Okay, he's got like that there, like that now, but I'm on board now. I'm supporting this campaign. So be warned, I'm going to be tormenting all the politicians in Ayrshire now to get on board and support it. And I'll see you all later, folks.